remorse, but we want to tell them that that has just embodied us. We are stronger than we were. And I also want to announce that this war is a national war. 90% of Kenyans are behind us. I've received calls from Mount Kenya, and they're asking us, when are you coming here? We want to announce that we are coming home to Mount Kenya, and they are actually more willing than anybody else because they are the worst hit by the increased cost of living. We are business people, and our people, all our businesses are on auction. Lastly, I want to tell everyone that this process of signature collection is a national process and is a volunteer process. Within your small circle, pick the forms and have them signed and get connected to Azimio, bring the forms. It's purely volunteer. Within your circles, mama bogas, chamas, matatu operators, borders, pick forms and return the forms to us, because that will be your voice. Lastly, as we go forward, we know that we are all dead down economically. We want to urge Kenyans not to donate any more money to this regime. We want to urge Kenyans to actually even buy whistles. Everyone should have a whistle. When you have someone wanting to extract more money from you, just blow up the whistle. Alert your neighbors. In the marketplaces, mama bogas, you are promised heaven. All mama bogas, all market people should have whistles. When you have those white, yellow coated kabuti people blow whistles, they'll be stealing from you. When someone comes to disconnect your power, blow a whistle, he's stealing from you. When someone comes to disconnect your water, blow a whistle, they are stealing from you. We are not ready to donate any more blood to